we are headed into Dollarama now. We're about to do some retail arbitrage.
What's going on, guys? We are in the Dollarama store and we are going to check out different products that are in here. This is one of my favorite stores to do retail arbitrage in. They always have lots of brand name products for really low, 70-80% off retail. And you can sell products in here are up to $25-30 on Amazon, no problem.
Whenever I'm in the bookstore, I'm always looking for books that sell well, especially in the Dollarama book, because you can get them for cheap. For example, these Paw Patrol books sell for $12 to $15 on Amazon. Things that you want to look for in books are obviously popular books like Frozen. Disney books are always great. Novels that have some sort of New York best time selling kind of rank on there usually sell well on Amazon, as well as these Disney Aristocrats, Foxhound, and Bambi books sell well. Lady and the Tramp. Let's scan those and see what the numbers are. So far so good. Was able to load up a bunch of these Thomas toys for $4.50. They sell for $25 on Amazon and have under a 5,000 rank, which is really good.
Always find things in the beauty section, but I always come up and down this aisle to take a look to see what they have that looks like it would sell for profit on Amazon.
Look up and down for, especially if you can find name brand products as seen on TV, products that look like they carry some value. They probably sell for full retail on Amazon, so you just got to keep looking. Something like these bamboo cutting boards are really good products to sell on Amazon. They sell for fairly well. This is a good designed one, but unfortunately this cellophane, the price tag is underneath, so I'd have to buy it, take that out, rewrap it. Might not be worth the hassle.
A place like a Dollarama, hit every aisle, look high and low, try to look for brand name products, products with a face on it, because those are the ones that usually sell well and rank high.
Fishing stuff is always good. Bike stuff, if you can find brand name bike stuff, those are always good as well. I'm not a huge fan of the craft section or the do-it-yourself section. I usually don't find many things here. I have found some things, but not much at all.
Guys, well, we're about to wrap up our Dollarama run through. Was able to get a pretty good score on products, find roughly about $200 profit today if all goes well.